Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Next. So today we'll discuss the part 5 of static GK of our series. And let's start with the first question. Where the headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency is situated? Correct answer is Vienna. So the International Atomic Energy Agency is an international organization that seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy. So the IAEA was established as an autonomous organization on 29th July 1957. So Director General of the International Atomic Energy Agency is Rafael Mariano Grossi. Next. What is the highest military decoration in India? Correct answer is Paramveer Chakra. So the Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. It translates as the greatest of the ultimate brave, and the award is granted for most conspicuous bravery in the presence of the enemy. Next. What is the currency of Croatia? Correct answer is Croatian kuna. So Croatia is located in Central and Southeast Europe on the coast of the Adriatic Sea. The kuna is the currency of Croatia in use since 1994. So Zagreb is the capital of Croatia. So President of Croatia is Zoran Milanovic and the Prime Minister is Andres Plenković. Next. Rovers Cup is related to which field? Correct answer is football. So the Rovers Cup is a football tournament held in India. It was started by British football enthusiasts at Bombay in 1891. It is the second oldest football tournament in India after Durand Cup. Next. Where the Buland Darwaja, a massive gate, is located? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. So Buland Darwaza or the Door of Victory was built in 1602 AD by Mughal Emperor Akbar to commemorate his victory over Gujarat. It is the main entrance to the Jama Masjid at Fatehpur Sikri. Buland Darwaza is the highest gateway in the world and is an example of Mughal architecture. Next. Which city is known as Egg City of India? Correct answer is Namakkal, Tamil Nadu. So Namakkal is the major producer of egg in southern region, hence it is called as Egg City. Next. Yuddha Abhyas is a joint military exercise between which two countries? Correct answer is India and US. So Yuddha Abhyas is one of the largest running joint military training and defense cooperation endeavors between India and US. Next. Where is the nuclear power plant the Narora Atomic Power Station is located? Correct answer is Narora, Uttar Pradesh. So Narora Atomic Power Station is a nuclear power plant located in Narora, Bulandshahr district in Uttar Pradesh. Next. Ceylon is the old name of which country? Correct answer is Sri Lanka. So Ceylon gained independence from Britain in 1948 and changes its name to Sri Lanka when it became a republic in 1972. Next. Where the Arun Jaitley Stadium is located? Correct answer is New Delhi. So Arun Jaitley Stadium is a cricket stadium located at Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, New Delhi. It established in 1883 as the Firoz Shah Kotla ground. It is the second oldest international cricket stadium still functional in India after the Eden Gardens in Kolkata. So this is all for this video, and these were some important static GK of our series, and this was the part 5. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Learn Next to get regular updates. Thank you.